The mission of the Cash Coalition, the Northern Virginia Cash Coalition, is to create financial literacy amongst the Northern Virginia community. And that's more or less the umbrella of the financial arena of what we do. VITA is a piece of it. It's the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. We have 21 locations all throughout Northern Virginia. That includes Fauquier as well as Loudoun County. We partner with multiple nonprofits, public and private businesses, different partners that we've picked up, so to speak, along our, I believe, 7 years actually in doing VITA.
I think it's a critical service for the citizen of Fairfax County, because if you are making less than $50,000, if you go out to a paid tax preparer, they usually charge you like $200, for simple tax returns. When you come to us, it's free. And through our VITA program, we have very strict standard of conduct. We require all volunteers to be certified. We have very low rate of errors.
All of our volunteers go through some intensive training. They go through 3 hours of initial training and I believe another 6 hours of intensive tax-wise online training. Every single person who actually touches a tax return has to be certified by the IRS. They can do advanced, basic, and intermediate, whichever one suits them.
We have a basic level that you can train to, and that pretty much allows you to work with anyone with W-2 income forms. They're working for an employer. The second level is intermediate, and basically that allows you to work with anyone that might have business type income. We see those with 1099 miscellaneous forms, or they could have cash income. Those type of things are an intermediate. But then we have people like me that can also handle foreclosures on homes, if that's sadly occurred during the year, and cancellation of debt. And also health savings accounts are a new thing that coming in the last few years. We have other people who do quality controls. Okay. And here we actually do 2 quality control checks, just to get fresh eyes looking at every return.
I enjoy taxes. Strangely enough, I enjoy taxes. I enjoy the problem solving, the logic. Every case is different. We have a huge number that come in from overseas. They're coming from Arab countries, African countries, European countries. So they're coming from all over. And so for them, to ask them to do their own tax returns, it's completely foreign to them. Many of them don't speak English as a first language. So to be able to walk them through is just fantastic. You can educate them on what they need to do for their taxes, and they come back and they're like, oh, that's really good. I got this deduction I didn't realize I had.
Probably the biggest thing people overlook when they do their taxes is probably the earned income tax credit. And that credit can be, up to about $5,500 a year for a low-income family, so it's very significant.
So the mother gets a yes to that.
Last year, we did 4,310 tax returns. Next year, our goal is to serve around 5,000 tax returns. And every year we bring more money to the county. Like last year, we brought $8.1 million in federal refund.
It's very beneficial to Fairfax County in terms of the returns that we get. So people are filing their taxes, they're getting refunds from those taxes, which they're then able to spend in Fairfax County or in the local environs.
I think the way it works is, for us to educate people, how to be more savvy about, the overall picture. We partner with banks who actually partner with us and provide free checking account. And come next year, we start thinking about, providing workshops. For example, like, how to get your free credit score, free credit report, how to understand about buying your first home, how to understand the mortgage system when you are the first-time home buyer. So we want to make sure that in addition to the VITA, we want to educate our clients, have a holistic view about the entire picture of financial education.
The VITA season runs from January 18th to April 17th. People can visit www.nvacash.org, and all of our information, including our outreach materials as well as site locations, are listed there.